And now, First Warn 5 weather with meteorologist Matt Holliner.
6:26 this morning. We keep getting questions on social media about the African dust. Is it still around? And unfortunately, the answer is yes. Now, there's not a lot of it. I do want to stress. Remember that there are 5 different categories of air quality, and this is just level 2. And we've been stuck here for a while, by the way. We did see last week it dipped to unhealthy for some, but we've just been stuck in moderate air quality, light amount of dust. That's why the sky doesn't look bright blue. I mean, yes, it's blue still, but it kind of is a dirty blue. That's because there's a little bit of dust still around. Now, most not impacted. All you notice is the hazy skies. If you have harder lung conditions, you're not being impacted much either. You can still go outside. There's not enough dust where I want you to stay inside, but though you can go outside, you should avoid the strenuous activity. You shouldn't exercise outside. You shouldn't mow the lawn. Leave that to someone else who doesn't have a harder lung condition to do. And I got to tell you, this is probably going to last through the weekend, to be honest with you, because there's a trail of dust that's streaming in here all the way from Africa. I still see it on the water vapor imagery, so I expect moderate air quality to continue. What we really need is a good rain. That would clear the dust out of here. And look how many are going to see rain. Look at the eastern U.S. just covered. This is a rainfall forecast from today through Sunday. And I do want to point out, look at Pennsylvania, New Jersey, New York. That's from that tropical system. Heavy rain. There's probably going to be some flooding in those states. That is a possibility, and not very often we talk about a tropical system working into that part of the country. Meanwhile, almost the entire eastern U.S. seeing rain. Here in the valley, no chance of rain. Completely dry. The dry streak continues, and I'll tell you what, it may not be until next Friday that we see even a few showers pop up, and it wouldn't be a good rain chance. I don't see any chance, even a 10% chance, until next Friday right now. That said, dry weather is good for the beach as long as we don't get too crowded at the beach. I want to keep giving you the beach forecast, so let's remember the social distancing so we can keep the island open. 89 out at the island today. Gusts are going to be around 30 miles per hour. A few rip currents are possible. Small craft advisory, 11 a.m. to 8 p.m. That's when you should avoid boating, especially a small boat or jet ski. If you want to do that, do it this morning when it won't be so choppy on the bay and Gulf. Temperatures, this is about the same map I showed you yesterday. 89 at the island, but 97 in Wesco, 99 McAllen, 101 Rio Grande City, but a little more humidity, not as much wind, just kind of a breezy day. So the heat index this afternoon around 105. And it's going to get worse. Tomorrow, the average high in the valley, 99. Saturday, 101. We could tie some record highs on Saturday. And the heat index, what it's going to feel like on Saturday, 110, the average heat index. And there could be a few spots where it's above 110. And I do think the average heat index will be above 110 on Sunday, probably on Monday. Notice triple digits Saturday through Tuesday, finally 99 again on Wednesday. No chance of rain and a whole lot of sun. First Warn 5 AccuWeather forecast.